Imagine this. It's a Tuesday, just like any other. The world is waking up, stretching its arms, and getting ready for another ordinary day. People are heading out the door, briefcases in hand, coffee cups steaming, and the familiar hum of the city fills the air. Children laugh as they race to catch the school bus, while parents wave goodbye from the porch. The city is alive with routine, comfort, and the promise of another predictable day. The sun is shining, casting a golden glow over the city. Birds are singing, their melodies weaving through the gentle breeze. People gather at outdoor cafes, sipping lattes and sharing stories, while others enjoy the simple pleasures of a walk in the park. There's a sense of peace, of normalcy, as if nothing could possibly disturb this perfect morning. The world feels safe, familiar, and full of hope. But then, without warning, everything changes. Suddenly, the sky fills with strange, dazzling lights, brighter and more vibrant than anything anyone has ever seen. At first, people think it's some kind of festival, a new kind of fireworks, or maybe a viral marketing stunt. But as the lights grow larger and begin to move in impossible patterns, a hush falls over the city. All eyes turn upward, hearts pounding with a mix of awe and uncertainty. The world is captivated. People gather on rooftops and balconies, waving at the mysterious lights, hoping for a sign or a message. Some are filled with excitement, others with fear, but everyone is united in their curiosity. For a brief moment, humanity feels small and connected, gazing up at the unknown together. The question on everyone's mind: who or what has come to visit us from the stars? Then, as the lights coalesce, their true form is revealed. Giant spaceships, colossal, otherworldly, and unlike anything we've ever built, descend from the clouds. Their shadows stretch for miles, swallowing entire city blocks in darkness. The ships hover silently, their presence both awe-inspiring and terrifying. People stare in disbelief, struggling to comprehend the scale of what's unfolding above them. The world as we know it has changed forever. In that moment, the world holds its breath. Streets that were once bustling with life fall silent. News anchors scramble to make sense of the unfolding events, broadcasting live to millions glued to their screens. Families huddle together, friends cling to each other, and strangers share anxious glances. The air is thick with anticipation, fear, and a sense of history being written in real time. Questions swirl through every mind. Are these visitors here to help us, to share their knowledge and technology? Or are they here to conquer, to claim our world as their own? Debates erupt in living rooms, newsrooms, and online forums. Governments scramble to respond, scientists race to understand, and the world waits for a sign. The answer, however, comes much faster than anyone expects. Without warning, the sky erupts in chaos. Brilliant beams of energy slice through the clouds, shattering buildings and igniting fires. Sirens wail as people run for cover, the city transformed into a war zone in seconds. The invasion has begun, and humanity's greatest test is about to unfold. In the blink of an eye, everything we thought we knew about our place in the universe is turned upside down. This is gonna blow your mind. Before we continue, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for updated videos. Thank you. It's a big help for a small-time content creator. Thank you. Why would an advanced alien civilization, capable of traversing the unimaginable distances between stars, set their sights on our small blue planet? What could possibly motivate them to leave the comfort of their own world, to brave the cold, empty void of space, and journey across light years just to reach us? The question has fascinated scientists, storytellers, and dreamers for generations. Are we truly so unique, so valuable, that we would become the target of an interstellar quest? The answer might be simpler than we think. Earth is special, not just to us, but potentially to any being searching the galaxy for a place like home. Our planet is a rare oasis, a vibrant sphere of blue and green suspended in the darkness. Its beauty is more than skin deep. Earth is a living world, with a delicate balance of elements and conditions that make life possible. It's a rare jewel in the cosmos, teeming with life and resources. From the lush rainforests that pulse with biodiversity, to the coral reefs that shimmer with color and movement, Earth is a treasure trove of living wonders. Our rivers and forests, our oceans and mountains, are not just beautiful, they are vital, brimming with the raw materials and energy that sustain life. In a universe where most planets are barren, frozen, or scorched, a world like ours is almost unimaginably precious. Imagine a civilization whose homeworld is dying, its resources depleted, its air growing thin, its water vanishing. For them, Earth would be a beacon of hope, a last chance for survival. Perhaps their planet once thrived as ours does now, but time, disaster, or their own actions have left it desolate. The search for a new home would be desperate, urgent, and Earth, with its abundance, would be the ultimate prize. Maybe they're after our water, our minerals, or the energy locked within our planet. Water, so common to us, is a rarity in the universe. A substance essential for life, yet found in abundance on only a handful of worlds. Our minerals, forged over eons, could be the building blocks for technology, for survival, for rebuilding a civilization on the brink. Or perhaps it's the very air we breathe, the perfect blend of oxygen and nitrogen, a rarity among planets. For beings used to a toxic or thin atmosphere, Earth's air would be a miracle, a resource beyond price. Clean, breathable air could mean the difference between extinction and survival for an alien species. Whatever the reason, whether it's our water, our minerals, our air, or simply the miracle of life itself, one thing is clear. Earth is a cosmic prize. To those who have lost their own world, or who seek to expand their reach, what we have is worth crossing the stars for, and that makes our planet and our stewardship of it more important than ever. Their technology is beyond anything we've ever imagined. They have weapons that can level cities in the blink of an eye. Their ships are shielded, making them nearly indestructible. They might even have weapons that defy our understanding of physics. Facing such advanced enemies, can humanity possibly hope to survive? The odds are stacked against us, but humanity is not one to surrender without a fight. All across the globe, armies mobilize. Scientists work tirelessly to understand alien technology and develop countermeasures. Governments put aside their differences, sharing information and resources like never before. We are united in the face of a common enemy. The invasion forces us to confront a fundamental question: can humans truly unite for a common cause? Throughout history, we have fought amongst ourselves, divided by borders, ideologies, and honestly, even greed. But now, facing extinction, we must learn to work together. The survival of our species depends on it. Can we overcome our differences and present a united front against the invaders? Throughout history, smaller, less advanced forces have triumphed over larger, more powerful ones. We've learned that cunning strategy, bravery, and sheer determination can overcome even the most daunting odds. We can draw inspiration from historical examples of resilience, from the Spartans at Thermopylae to the Vietnamese resistance fighters. These stories remind us that even in the darkest of times, hope remains. While the aliens may have superior technology, we have something they lack: tenacity. We are fighting for our home, our families, our very right to exist. That gives us a strength that no technology can match. And who knows? Perhaps our ingenuity will lead us to discover their weaknesses, to find ways to fight back with the resources we have. In the face of this ultimate challenge, we witness acts of incredible courage and selflessness. Ordinary people rise to the occasion, becoming heroes. Scientists make groundbreaking discoveries. Soldiers fight with unwavering bravery. We discover a strength we never knew we possessed, a unity that transcends borders and beliefs. This is humanity's finest hour. Are you afraid to face the unknown future that awaits us all? Before we continue, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for updated videos. Thank you. It's a big help for a small-time content creator. Thank you. The outcome of this battle remains uncertain. As we stand on the precipice of history, the world holds its breath, united in anxiety and hope. Across continents and cultures, people gather in living rooms, on city rooftops, and in open fields, their eyes fixed on the sky, searching for answers in the darkness above. The uncertainty is palpable, a shared tension that binds us together in this moment. We do not know what tomorrow will bring, or whether we will prevail against this unprecedented threat. But one thing is for sure: the experience of facing the unknown, side by side, will forever change humanity. In the quiet before dawn, as empty streets echo with the memories of what once was, we find ourselves reflecting on what truly matters. Families embrace, friends comfort one another, and strangers become allies in the face of adversity. The world as we knew it has shifted, and in that shift, we discover the depth of our resilience and the strength of our compassion. We will emerge from this crucible not only stronger, but more united than ever before. The lines that once divided us, borders, beliefs, and backgrounds, begin to blur as we realize our shared vulnerability and our shared hope. Soldiers and civilians, young and old, people from every walk of life now stand shoulder to shoulder, determined to protect what we hold dear. In this moment, we are reminded that our differences pale in comparison to the power of our collective spirit. And as we look to the stars, those distant beacons that have inspired wonder for generations, we become more aware of our place in the vast universe. Scientists peer through telescopes, searching for meaning and understanding, while astronauts gaze back at Earth, seeing a fragile blue world suspended in the infinite. The enormity of the cosmos humbles us, reminding us that we are but a small part of something far greater. Perhaps in the face of this alien invasion, we will find the catalyst that finally unites us, not just as nations with their own interests, but as members of a single global family. World leaders set aside old rivalries, coming together in unprecedented cooperation. The halls of the United Nations echo with new resolve, as representatives from every corner of the globe pledge to stand together. Crowds gather, waving flags not just of their own countries, but of humanity itself, signaling a new era of solidarity. And so, as children gaze up at the night sky with hope in their eyes, and families gather to witness history unfold, we realize that our destiny is no longer written by the few, but by all of us together. This moment, born of fear and uncertainty, may yet become the foundation for a future defined by unity, courage, and the boundless possibilities that await us among the stars. Together, as one species, we face the unknown, and together, we will shape our shared destiny.